Okay, so today we are going to be just having a quick look at this brand new Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con charging grip. Basically, with your Nintendo Switch 2, you get the regular Joy-Con grip, which allows you to clip on the Joy-Cons and create a controller basically. But the thing is, as I'm sure you know, if you've already got your Nintendo Switch 2, it doesn't have any charging capabilities. And to ensure that they carry on working, you have to take them off and actually attach them to your Switch 2. However, with this new grip from Nintendo, it's got the charging port already installed into the grip itself. So basically you just have to plug it in to any USB-C lead and it'll charge it for you. So what we're going to do, we're just going to unbox it and have a quick look. You get a USB-C cable, your Joy-Cons, so you don't have to worry about getting a separate cable. And then in this lovely little package here, you have the charging grip itself. I don't know if you can see that, but there's your USB-C hole there. So basically, all you need to do, should you get one of your own, is attach your Joy-Cons, play it as you would the older version, and when it comes to it, you just plug in your USB-C cable there and it'll charge your Joy-Cons as you go, ready for the next time that you are ready to play. Also, in addition, this model has a slight improvement over the one that comes with the standard Nintendo Switch, and that is it's got some remappable buttons at the back here that allows you basically just to assign, say you find it easier to use a button at the back here for the jumping mechanism on when you play Mario. You can assign the A button to one of these buttons and it'll allow you to use it. Basically, it gives you more flexibility than the regular standard Joy-Con grip. So yeah, that's the Nintendo Switch 2 charging Joy-Con grip, and yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to playing with it.